Hi friends, welcome to Dhanvi Home Kitchen. Today I am going to show you a simple recipe for a tasty dish, mushroom curry. For preparing the mushroom curry, I am using about 400 grams of mushroom here. First let's roast the masala. For that, I am heating 1 teaspoon of oil with a pinch of mustard seeds in a pan. Once the mustard seed starts sputtering, I am adding 1 piece of cinnamon stick, 1.5 teaspoon of coriander seeds, 3/4 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 7 to 8 red chili. Adjust the red chili count based on spice preference. Let's mix this and add few curry leaves. The masalas are roasted now. Let's turn off the heat and let the masala cool down. Once the masala has cooled down, I am adding 1.5 cup of grated coconut, 4 garlic cloves, 1 onion, roasted masala, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder and water as required to a mixie jar and preparing a fine paste. For the tadka, I am slicing 2 onion and chopping 1 tomato. Now let's clean the mushroom. For that, first I am quickly rinsing the mushroom in water. The mushroom can soak the water and hence do not leave the mushroom in water for long. Clean and drain the water immediately. After rinsing in water, I am peeling the upper skin and any blacks found. Now let's cut all the mushroom to same size. Now I am heating a pan with a 1 tablespoon of oil and 1/4 teaspoon of mustard seeds. Once the mustard seeds start sputtering, I am adding the onion and 8 to 10 curry leaves. Once the onion starts turning transparent, I am adding the tomato and 1.5 teaspoon of salt. Once the tomato is cooked, that is turned soft, I am adding the cut mushroom. Let's mix this and let it cook for about a minute and then add the masala paste. To this I am adding water to adjust the consistency. At this point, we can check and adjust if more salt is required. Let's cover and let it cook. There is a chance of masala boiling over and spilling from the pan. So check and mix in between to prevent that. Let this boil until the masala and mushroom is cooked. It takes about 5 minutes. The mushrooms are cooked now. The Mangalorean style mushroom curry is ready. If you like the recipe, do click on the like button, share the video and subscribe to Dhanvi Home Kitchen. Bye.